What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewsTrading.com, and today we're doing a market recap for September 5th. And today being Wednesday, the S&P 500 is again over that 2872 all-time high level. It has cracked it and pulled back a little bit. You can see the momentum has been dragging price action a little bit lower. Today is the second risk-off day. It is a short week. Volume kind of dries up a little bit on these shorter weeks. And again, today, a bit of a risk-off day, but more of that would be led towards the fact that the XLK, the ETF that tracks tech, is off considerably today. A lot of the larger tech sector stocks have come off, and because the XLK is one of the largest, or is the largest component of the S&P 500, it has led the SPX / the S&P 500 to come off today, and again, a bit of a risk-off day. Now, interestingly, a few days ago, the Russell 2000 started to take a bit of a short-term nosedive, has pulled back. The S&P followed it. A lot of people use that R2K as somewhat of a forward-leading indicator in terms of general market movement. It has since recorrected and has started to move back up. So it's interesting to see. You'll see that both yesterday and today, the S&P has put in lows and has bounced off of that lows, closing lower on the day, but has closed significantly higher than the actual low of the day. So the S&P, again, it is down. It is a risk-off trade. The XLK, which is the ETF that tracks the tech sector, was off significantly today, 1.5 percentage points. It was off today, and so that was dragging a lot of the S&P 500 stocks down just through sympathy moves. Now, on the day trading side of things, very, very interesting day. We're going to move over to MNKD. Now, yesterday we talked about this in Ask a Trader, and what I was mentioning to everybody in the room is that you could see that the price action for the day was up significantly. I think it closed up like 90% or so. What I was mentioning in Ask a Trader is it's not uncommon to see a gap up overnight and watch price action actually run a little bit higher first thing in the morning, only to lead into panic selling, which is what we got right through here. It was actually in this panic selling that I started to get short this stock. And for the members that are watching this particular video, I'm going to be doing a full video breakdown in the members area. But essentially, you can see right up through here at this top, you get this nice reversal pattern with the momentum turning to the downside. Get that beautiful cross down of the signal line, negative transition on the MACD histogram, and price action sort of steps down, really takes out its VWAP, and then takes a walk down to a 234 low before bouncing. Now, it was in this general area that I was covering my position, and we set up again later on in the day right through here, and I was looking to take out this double bottom candle low below the VWAP. And you know what? Bottom line is I got a little bit lazy on this trade and I didn't actually get into another position. But you can see that that 262 level dropped all the way down to 219. So again, another massive short position could have been taken. I really, ultimately ended my day right through here on this primary short. I didn't watch it throughout the day, but I was queuing up for another short, but did not take advantage of the secondary move to the downside. So MNKD worked out very, very well. And like I mentioned, it did get caught in this early morning panic, which led to a early morning sell-off. There was a bit of short covering, if you will, or maybe people that were late to the game that got in, but ultimately we're left holding the bag because price action did sell off. It closed its gap into the close, and we'll just kind of see what happens tomorrow. Maybe it shows up as a market mover and it moves higher. Maybe there is secondary selling on MNKD tomorrow, which we'll sort of stick around for. So I hope that some of this has helped. If you have any questions about this stock or the way that we've broken down the charts on the S&P 500 and the XLK, please feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewstrading.com. All of our contact information and social media platforms are listed below, so if you're not following us, please do. Stay in touch with the team because we're always posting new stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn your notifications on, and we will see you in the next market recap.